Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Professor Shraddha Firke, Assistant Professor in Computer Science from the KK Wagh Arts, Commerce Science, Computer Science College, Kakasaheb Nagar, Ranwad, Nasik. Today we are going to study the topic called Types of Editors from System Programming. So what is an editor? Editor is a system program. It is a text editor. It is a tool that will allow a user to create and revise the documents in the computer. Though this task can be carried out with other modes like word text editors, commonly referred to as a tool that does this interactively. Earlier computer documents used to be the primarily plain text documents, but nowadays, due to the improved input-output mechanisms and the file formats, the documents frequently contains pictures along with the text whose appearance, that is, its script, size, color, and style, can be varied from within the document. Apart from producing the outputs of such a wide variety, text editors today provide many advanced features of instructiveness and the outputs. So, what are the different types of editors that we are going to study in this topic? So, depending on how the editing is performed and the type of output that can be generated, the editors can be broadly categorized as line editors, stream editor, screen editor, word processor, and the structure editor. Now we will study each one of them one by one. Now the first we will see line editors. What are the line editors? Line editors, a scope of edit operations in the line editor is limited up to a single line of the text. The line designated positionally, for example, by specifying a serial number in the text, and contextually, that is, by specifying the context which uniquely identifies it. During the original creation of the lines of the text are recognized and delimited by the end of line marker, and during subsequent revisions the line must be explicitly specified by the line number or by some pattern context, that is EdiLine editor in earlier MS-DOS systems. Next is stream editor. So what is a stream editor? The basic idea here is the similar to the line editor, but the entire text is treated as a single stream of characters. Hence, the locations for revision cannot be specified using the line numbers. Locations for revision are either specified by the explicit positioning or by using the pattern context. And the example of the stream editor is seed editor in Unix or Linux. In the stream editor, we perform the edit operations such as a cross-line boundaries. The stream editor supports character, line, context-oriented commands based on the position of the text pointer, which points to the current editing context, and this next pointer can be manipulated using the search commands. The editor maintains the internal form like end of the line characters and other edit characters, which is used to perform the edit operations. And the basic example of this editor is seed editor, that is SED editor, which is a stream editor used in the Unix or Linux operating systems. So the basically line editors and stream editors are the suitable for text only documents. The next is screen editors. The screen editor is also called as a full screen editor because the screen editor uses what we see is what we get principle. The editor displays the text on your screen at the time. So these will allow the documents to be viewed and operated upon a two-dimensional plane. of which the portion may be displayed at the time. Any portion may be specified for the display, and the location for the revision can be specified anywhere within the displayed position or the portion. And the basic example of the screen editor is VI editor or Emac editors, or simply your notepad, KeyWrite, and other screen editors in the Unix operating system. So basically screen editor is what you see is what you get principle. So it can be used to produce the printed documents also while we are providing the formatting to that text. It can move the cursor over the screen. We can edit the we can edit the screen portion, or we can position our cursor on the screen. Next is word processors. Word processors are the most popular editors for the text documents or any type of documents. It is used for well formatting the documents and is also called as a document editors that will provide the additional features to the basic screen editor that usually supports non-textual context and the choice of fonts, styles. Then we can do the content bold, italics, and other contents, etc. The documents that created by the word processor generally contains a file format specific. The best example are MS Word or a WordStar. Basically, many word processors supports the spell check options also, and the word processors are used for office personals, clerical documents, authors, and etc. It is easy to edit any document in the word processor. The last one is a structure editor. Basically, these structure editors are the editors that are specified type documents that are specific for that documents, so that the editor recognizes the structure or its syntax of the document being prepared for and help in maintaining that structure and the syntax. So basically syntax directed editors are the structure editors. These editors are used specifically for the programming languages. Just like example, VI editor, NLS, NetBeans, Edit Plus, these type of editors are known as a structure editor. Basically, structure editor has different command modes, insert mode, or a command line modes, where we can type our commands, and we can provide the insert options also, insert mode also. So basically it has a command mode, insert mode, or the visual modes also. So that's all for today's. We have studied the different types of editors. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel.